Hello my dear children, now we can discuss can you see the pattern? Chapter 7. Okay, we know that we can write 1, then 0, 1, then 0, 1, then 0. Such type of, okay, these type of, that means there is an order. Then next one is 2, 5, 2, 5, 2, 5. Such way. Okay, in case of shape, we can draw the circle, then a triangle, then circle, then a triangle. Okay, this is also a pattern. Okay, now we can do 2 triangles, 1 rectangle, 2 triangles, okay, then 1 rectangle. And such way, this is also a pattern. There is an order. After 2 triangles, there will be a quadrilateral. Next one, we can draw a triangle like this way. After then, we can make this angle here. First it was here, now it was here. After then, we can draw this one again, okay. Then we can draw it again, okay, this way. Then another way is with the triangle itself, that is, here we can draw, then we can give one dot here or angle we can mark there, okay. Now we can turn this one, now the dot is here, now we can draw this dot here. Okay, now we can draw this dot here. Okay, now we can do this one here. Okay, and this way. This is also a pattern. Here this one was, here was the dot. Then it became here. Then after then it became here. Then it became here and last it became here. Okay. So, we can say that here, this one turned first to here, then here to here, okay, it to here, okay, then next here, then next here. Clear for you. That means the turning is like this way. Here, like this way. Okay. That means we know that for a clock, here will be 12, then here will be 6. Then we can draw this clock. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Okay. Now, we know that the time is like this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Like this way. That means coming to here, then here, then here, 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 and such way. Okay. That means turning is from here to here. Then, we can, if the turning is like this way, that means in case of this clockwise, we can say, that means like a clock, we can say that is clockwise direction. Okay. Or clockwise rotation. Then, if it is like this way, just opposite. Any other turning, okay. Then, we can say clockwise, okay. Then next one, if it is like this way from here to here, just opposite, we can say that is anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise rotation. Clockwise rotation and anti-clockwise rotation. Clockwise rotation is the usual time, okay. That means as usual, that means from 12, then 11, 12, then 1, 2, 3 and so on. Then if it is anti-clockwise, this will be like this way. That means first here, then here, 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 and so on. Clear for you? That is, if the rotation is from here to here, we can say that is clockwise rotation, and if it is from here to here, then we can say that is anti-clockwise rotation. Anti-clockwise rotation. Okay, is it clear for you? Two types rotation, clockwise rotation and anti-clockwise rotation. Anti-clockwise, that is from here to here. Okay, just from here to here, and clockwise means like this way. Now we can study some patterns. That is, after half turn, quarter turn, what will be the condition? That means what will be the position? Then here, first it was here, then just completely that turned to half. Okay, so first it was like this way, then that completely turned up to here now. So this is half turn. Okay, so first here, then it became here, then again this one turned. Okay, that means from here to here. Then what happened? From here to here. Okay, here also then turned. So we can say this is half turn. Half turn. Now we can think about the second pattern. That is, first it was like this way. Then once we can turned up to here. Okay, so it became like this way. That means only this much. Then here we turned some more here. So now we got it here. Okay, here was the position first. Then now one more turn up to here. This became here. Then once more. So it became here. Like that way. So we can say that is quarter turn. Okay, quarter turn. So think about, if it is like this way, one circle, so we can say this is half. Okay, think about like this way. This will be half from here to here, and after then from here to here. Okay, then think about quarter. So this will be like this way. One more will be there. That means from here to here, then again from here to here, then from here to here, then from here to here. This will be quarter. So what about a half? Here will be there. That means from here to here, and after then here to here. Two turns only there. Clear? This will be half turn. Clear, children? Now we can discuss the patterns given in the textbook. Okay. Chapter 7. Can you see the pattern? Isha, your skirt is beautiful. Yeah, we can see here some pattern. My mother made this pattern. Okay, here. This pattern made this skirt as beautiful. I have seen the same block making a different pattern on a kurta. How was it different? Oh, what was the difference? Here, first it was like this way. First the angle was here. Okay, this angle was here. Then this one turned into here, then to here, then here, then here, then here, and so on. So, next one, it is like this way. Here, the angle was here, after then here, then now we can see here, then next here, then next here, and so on. Okay, now this is the different. Actually, we know that is here it is half turn, because here it was the angle and now this became here, then next turn this became as first one itself. So after half turn, okay, here, then one more. So 2 turns are there to get the first object. That means as the first object. So we can say half turn. So what about here? Here first it was like this way. Then second time it came like this way. Then third time. Then third and fourth. Then first it was like this way. Then here. So after then 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 turns are there to get the first as like the first object. So we can say here it is clockwise direction. Here this one also clockwise direction. Then so here we can say here it is half clockwise turn. Half clockwise turn. Now this is quarter clockwise turn. Clear for you? That is here half clockwise turn, and here this one will be half clockwise turn. Okay. Now we can pause this video and think such type of some pattern. Try to draw that. Now turns and patterns. Look at this block. This one. Okay. Then we make 3 different rules to turn this shape. Okay. That is it clockwise and see the patterns. Then what happened? Here this was the first position. Red will be up. Then blue became down. Okay. Now next one here it is first turn. This became like this way. Red here. Then second here. Third here. Fourth it became same. Okay. Then it continuously turn clockwise. Okay. That means first one, second, third and fourth position. So we can say this is repeat it with a 1/4 turn. That means 1/4. Here it is 1/4. Again 1/4. Again 1/4. Again 1/4. So next we can repeat this one. This block with a half turn. Okay. Then after fourth, that means after third turn, that means in the fourth turn, this object became same like as the first one. Then repeat it with a half turn. That means this much needed to turn. So here, then up to here turning time, this will be like this way. So first turn, then second turn, this became same like that way. Okay, next this one. Okay, then repeat it with 3/4 turn. 3/4 will not be completely up to here or not this much or not this much. Some will be there. That means here this much will be there. 1, 2, 3. That means 3/4. Okay. Then from here to here we need to turn. So what will happen? Here we know this red became in this corner. Okay. Then second turn what will happen? This one needed to reach up to here now. So this became like this way. So then next one what happened? So from here to here. Okay. So this will be here. That means this red one will be here. Then from here to here. So what happened? This became same as the first one. Okay. So 3/4 turn. That means from here to here. 1, 2, 3. Then 1, 2, 3. Then 1, 2, 3. Okay. 3/4 turn. Now try to do this pattern. Now how can we do? Here think about these two positions. Okay. This one and this one. These two dots. Then these two dots became here and this line became straight. This red was here from here to here. Now this became from here to here. Then this two dots became straight. Then this straight is for like this direction. Okay. In this direction. So next, what can we do? We can draw a circle. Then how can we complete this one? So we know that we have to turn it. Then here will be then 2 dots will be here. Then here will be the red. Completely this will be the red. Okay. Next, what will be there? Here for this third one. Here again circle will be there. Then what happened? Here will be there and 2 dots will be here and here. Okay, red will be here. So for this N shape, so here first became like this way, then again here, then again here. Then what will be the next one? This will be like this way. Then next here will be the N shape N. Okay. Now for doing this one, think about the dots and this small dot and this 4 dots. Okay. Then here is the 4 dots. Next became here. Next became here. Next, yeah, it became here. So we can draw this one here. 1, 2, 3, 4 dots will be here. Here will be the next one. Then next one, think and do. Okay. Then next one, here is the red and blue shape. Okay. Here became. Then circle is there already. Okay. Next, where will be the circle and the position of this object? Here will be the position. Then think and do. What about here? See the pattern. Here will be F. Then next F is not completely, but some is there. Some turned. Okay. Not 90 degree. 90 degree means up to here needed to come. Half of this will be 45 degree. Half of 90, that is 45. Then next will be up to here only. Okay. Then 1, 2, 3. Then next one 4 and so on. Okay, 45 degrees there. So here what will be the shape? You think and do here also. Now we know that this one will be here. Okay. Last will be here. We have to give the tick here. Next, using the same rule, take it forward till you get back to what you started with. Okay. So here it is L shape. Next, like this way. Next. This is for you. Okay. Try to do this pattern. Next page, that is some patterns are given below on the left side of the red line. For each pattern, write the rule. That means here we need to write the rule of this pattern. Then choose what comes next from the right side of the line. Give a tick mark. So here 3 are there. What will be the next position for this pattern? Here this became, that means here it is orange. Sorry, green, orange, green, orange. Not half turn is not there. Okay. Then here this became here. Then next will be, okay, here will be the position. So we can say this is not half turn. Okay. So we can say turning by 45 degree clockwise each time. That means each time this is turned with 45 degree clockwise direction. Okay. Next, here is the blue. Next, here will be the blue. Next, here became. So, what will be the next one? Here will be the next one. Here we can say that here now. So, just that turn it completely. So, what happened? Here it is 90 degree clockwise each time. Okay, that means it rotated 90 degree clockwise. Then what about here? This became here. Next, completely here, then completely here. So here also we can say that is 90 degree clockwise each time. Okay. So next position will be, now it is like this way. So next position will be here. Okay. So what about here? Here it is like this way. Then just turned it. Okay. Then here was this lines. Okay. Then now that became here. Okay. Became here. Then this became here. Okay. So coming like this way. Okay. Then next one is like this way. Okay. Then became like this way. Clear? So this will be the next one. So we can say this is not clockwise. Okay, children. This is anti-clockwise rotation. So that we can say turning by 90 degree anti-clockwise each time. Okay, turning by 90 degree anti-clockwise each time. This is degree representation. Okay, 90 degree. Then 45 degree. Okay. Then next one is for you. That is, look for a pattern. Mark that picture which is breaking the rule. Also correct it. So we have to correct it and we have to think about that. So here we know, here this is the first one. Now this became here. This dot, okay. And color also. Next here. Then next it became here. But what happened? Next it was correct. Then what happened here? This became 2. Okay. Then this one also. So from here onwards, this pattern breaked. Okay. So this from here, this is breaking the rule. Okay. Then actually what was the position? This dot needed to be here. This type of position needed to be here. Okay. Then the next question is here umbrella. Okay. Here it is. Then next this became here. Okay. Then next became here. Then what happened? Next down. Then next what happened? Here. Okay. Then what happened? Actually what needed to be here? Here it is. This needed to be like this way. Okay. So this one needed to be here. Like this shape. Okay. This type of this one. Then here it is like this way. So we can say this type of shape needed to come here. Then what happened? This one repeated. So from here it is breaking. So next one. All these shapes are same. But here what happened? Here it became down. Okay. Flying to this way. But this is the direction for flying. Okay. So from here it break. So next one is here one quadrilateral. Then next what happened? Here it is a triangle, a circle. Okay. Then what happened? Here another one. Okay. Then here these type of shapes repeated. But here what happened? Here actually we need this circle. Then here it became square. Okay. That means a quadrilateral. Okay. So here it is circle. That means here these three we can understand. This is same. Okay. Then here also it is same. Then here also it is same. But here it is same. Then same like that here also. But who break this rule? This one break this rule. So from here it break. Okay. I think you got more ideas about this type of pattern. Okay. That is sequence of motif and we can make designs in several places. Okay. So we have to think more about clockwise and anti-clockwise rotation. Okay. Thank you.